Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this particular video I'm gonna tell you what are the best possible meta tags which you should use so your website ranks on the top of Google. So the first meta tag that I want to show you is the character set. This is UTF-8, which is a character encoding scheme. Then the next one is the name, which is viewport. Okay, then the content for this one is going to be width is equals to device width and initial scale is equals to 1. Great. So these two of are normally generated if you are using a template generator. Then the one which are important is meta, and then name is equals to owner. This is the name of the website owner, and the content is the name. In this case it is John Wick. Now the next one is the keywords is really important, and the reason is because this should match the phrases that the user search. So if you're creating an actual website and you want your SEO to be good, then search for what keywords your competitors are using. Okay, there are a lot of online tools which can help you with that. Once you know their keywords, you can think of your own. Okay, so the content is comma separated keywords. For example, resume of John Wick, comma John Wick's resume, stuff like that. Last one is the meta name is equals to description. Okay, and the content is the thing that comes below the title. If you open a website, first of all there is a title and below it there is a description, as I already told you. So this is the content. I am John Wick. I created this awesome SEO friendly website with iron programmers. Great. So these are few of the keywords which are necessary. Okay, and in the next video I'm going to show you few of the other meta tags which can enhance the SEO of your website.